Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Temitope and this is T Plus Kitchen. I make videos from Lagos, Nigeria about cooking recipe and cooking tips. If it's your first time on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also click on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on all my videos. Today I'll be showing you how I cook Efo Riro with Ugwu leaves. Without further ado, let's jump right into how to cook Efo Riro. These are the ingredients I'll be using. I will use goat meat, cow skin, ugu leaves, salt, seasoning cube, palm oil, fish, iru, which is the locust beans, and so on. The first thing I did was to blend the onions and the habanero pepper. I poured that into my blender and add some water, then I blend till it's smooth for the vegetable. Then I move on to debone the fish. I removed all the bones, all the tiny bones in between the fish to make the fish easy to eat and very clean. Is to boil the goat meat. So I poured the goat meat into my pan. I added salt, seasoning cube, water and onions. I add enough water to cook the goat meat. After boiling the goat meat for about 20 to 30 minutes, I added the cow skin into the pot so that it's going to boil the cow skin. You can add the cow skin right from the beginning, but I prefer to add in between because goat meat is always very strong, so I don't cook with the cow skin. Then I cook for about another 20 minutes so that the cow skin will also be soft. I remove that from the cooker once it's soft enough for me to cook. Then I heat up a pan and add palm oil and let it fry for a few minutes, maybe 1 minute. Added the onions, the locust beans and crayfish, blended crayfish. That for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then I added the blended pepper into it and allowed that to fry very well. I had to cover the pot so that the pepper is going to fry very well. pepper has been frying for about 10 minutes. Then I added salt and seasoning cube. After a few more minutes, I added the cow skin so that it will cook very well with the pepper and cover the pan. After a few more minutes, I added the fish and the goat meat into the pan and stir very well. I make sure that it's being stirred very well so that everything will combine itself. Then I leave it to cook for another 5 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes. I washed the Ugwu leaves with hot water before pouring it into the pan. So the next thing I did was to pour the Ugwu leaf into the pan and stir together to combine all the whole ingredients I have in the cooking pot. So I cover the pan for about 3 to 4 minutes. I don't want the Ugwu leaf to overcook, so I just cook it a bit more. It's a little soft, not too soft. Then voila, the Efo Riro is ready to be eaten. This delicious dish can be eaten with rice, with yam, any food of your choice. Thank you guys for watching. If you find this video interesting or useful, please don't forget to click on the thumbs up button, and also if you have not subscribed to this channel, please click on the subscribe button and subscribe right now. Thank you once again for watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.